Take command of the road in the 2005 GMC Yukon XL 1500. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including front side impact airbags, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.